The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to be Samsung's next big thing, with many improvements in cameras, displays, even in battery technology. So one of the standard features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is actually going to be its camera system. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra will get a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Now, this camera is expected to utilize a larger 1/2.52-inch sensor, potentially the ISOCELL GM5. Now, for contrast, the 1/1.352-inch 10 megapixel sensor found inside the S23 Ultra or even S22 Ultra or even the S21 Ultra seems really weak, but at least on paper. So what does this mean? Well, the larger sensor size and higher resolution are anticipated to deliver excellent image quality even at non-native zoom levels, such as 5x zoom. Because do keep this in mind, this is the only sensor that will work when the zoom levels are somewhere from 3x to all the way 10x. The 50 megapixel telephoto camera on the S24 Ultra is expected to enhance low light photography even at 3x zoom because of the 4-in-1 pixel binning technology. That means the super pixels will have larger size than the normal pixel size. Means it's better for the lower light scenarios. Furthermore, this new camera sensor might also enable the S24 Ultra to shoot 8K 30fps videos using the telephoto 3x camera, a feature currently not available and not possible in the Samsung's lineup of smartphones. Now, in addition to that, the S24 Ultra is also expected to feature the same 200 megapixel primary camera as the S23 Ultra, and the same thing goes for the 12 megapixel selfie camera. Now, regarding the periscope camera, the S24 Ultra is said to utilize the same 10 megapixel periscope camera, but with certain improvements. But that's not where it ends though. There is a new display technology coming to the S24 Ultra, known as M13 panel. Now, this is still a Samsung panel, but do keep this in mind, this is way better than the M12 panel, OLED panel that is used inside the iPhone 14 series, iPhone 15 series, or even the Galaxy S23 or even the recently launched flip phones from Samsung. All of them uses these M12 panels. So basically, it's gonna be slightly more thinner with higher peak brightness and much more energy efficiency. Anyway, other than that, the S24 Ultra is also becoming lighter than the S23 Ultra, but by not that much, while still getting much more tougher. It's actually gonna weigh around 233 grams, a whole 1 gram lighter than the S23 Ultra, but the real thing is actually inside the durability and the premiumness of it, because it's gonna use the titanium frame instead of the typical armor aluminum that Samsung uses. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to retain the same sleek design of the current S23 Ultra or even the S22 Ultra, the boxy Galaxy Note aesthetic. We love it, but I can't really confirm you anything about the sensor designs at this point because that might just change. But yeah, definitely you're gonna expecting Gorilla Glass on both front and rear, IP68, typical things that are all expected. So yeah, that's probably it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How excited you are for the S24 series. For me, I mean, this is gonna be a crazy big upgrade. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.